birth month flowers and their meanings. Do you know your birth flower or the birth flower of your family or friends? See our list of monthly birth flowers and learn the meanings behind them. The meaning of flowers. Today, flowers remain a welcome substitute for words, enhancing the giver's message with fragrance and beauty. The birth month flowers. January = carnation and snowdrop. February = violet and primrose. March = daffodil and jonquil. April = daisy and sweet pea. The April birth flowers are the daisy and the sweet pea. May = lily of the valley and hawthorn. June = rose and honeysuckle. July = larkspur and water lily. August = gladiolus and poppy. September = aster and morning glory. October = marigold and cosmos. November = chrysanthemum. December = narcissus and holly. Do you think the flower for your birth month fits?